Let's learn the 6 times table with our zoo animal pals. Get ready for a wild math adventure filled with fun and colorful friends. Watch as each animal helps us solve a multiplication fact. The numbers light up brightly as we say them together. Here we go. 1666, 6 lions roar. 2m6, 12, 12 playful monkeys. 3m6 18, 18 tall giraffes. 4m6 equals 24, 24 striped zebras. 5m6 equals 30, 30 colorful parrots. 6m6 36, 36 big elephants. 7m6 42, 42 dancing flamingos. 8m6 48, 48 slow turtles. 9m6 54, 54 hopping kangaroos. 10x6 60, 60 waddling penguins. 11x6 equals 66, 66 croaking frogs. And 12x6 72, 72 cuddly pandas. Each time, bright animals pop up and dance joyfully to cheerful music. Now let's try a quick quiz. What is 4 times 6? It's 24. What is 7 times 6? 42. What is 10 times 6? 60. What is 12 times 6? 72. What is 2 times 6? 12. Fantastic job! You've mastered the 6 times table with your animal friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Smart Sprouts TV for more fun learning videos.